Every year, millions of Nigerians tune in to Big Brother Naija. They laugh, they argue, and they stand their faves. But what most people don't realize is this. When the show ends, the real game begins. For some housemates, BBNaija isn't just a reality show, it's a launch pad. And for smart ones, it becomes a multi-million naira business empire. Let's be honest, fame alone doesn't pay the bills. What pays is how you leverage that fame. We've seen it happen year after year, from Mercy Eke to White Money to Lick Ross to Kid Wire. Some rise, some fade. So what separates those who build brands from those who just trend for a season? Let's break it down step by step through story, brand, and business. The first layer of the post-BBNaija business is influence money. The moment they step out of that house, the marketing world starts watching. So we have brands like Pepsi, Techno, Darling Hair, Paypot, Lush Hair, all want faces that sell emotions and not just products. Mercy Eke once said, BBNaija gave me visibility, but business gave me freedom. She signed major deals within weeks and later built Lambo homes. Lick Ross turned her dance energy into a lifestyle brand. And others, they turned social traffic into affiliate marketing, courses, and digital shops. But here is the truth. They are not just influencers, they are living billboards of aspiration. But not every housemate gets a brand deal. Engagement is everything. If fans don't connect with your story, no brand will connect with you either. Now let's talk about the part many fans overlook. Investments. Mercy bought her first house within a year of winning. White Money used his platform to open a restaurant. Kid Wire returned to his tech roots, investing in media. But some, yes, quite a few, lose it all. They rush into businesses they don't understand. They build for show and not for sustainability. This is the difference between performing wealth and producing it. So if you're watching this and want to start monetizing your own story, which is called the Brand Monetization Starter Kit, you can reach out to me and I'll show you or share with you a free guide on how to turn your visibility into steady income. Now, this is the game few talk about. Longevity. Fame fades, but story endures. The strongest BBNaija alumni understand that their authenticity is their biggest asset. Think about it. Tasha built a cult brand not because of the show, but because of her unapologetic identity. Cross evolved into entertainment and tech. Mercy became a real estate mojo. And the thread that connects them is consistency, vision, and emotional intelligence. They didn't just sell their looks, they sold transformation, and they sold the idea that you and I can start from anywhere and build something that lasts. So, what can you learn from all this? Even if you've never been in front of a camera, here is the truth. Every one of us has a version of that Big Brother spotlight moment. Maybe yours was a promotion, or maybe yours was a viral post, or probably a win that gave you visibility. The question is, did you build a system? And does that system revolve around the visibility? Because visibility without structure eventually becomes noise. And if you are a creator, entrepreneur, or professional, your story is your strategy. And this is why I always say your voice is not a vanity metric, it is a business asset, and you need to treat it as such. Because the stars out there winning accolades, winning visibility are not different from you, because they have learned to leverage and make money out of their visibility because they see it as a business. So do you see what you have in your hands as a business? Every season, BBNaija gives us a front row seat into human ambition and, of course, human flaws. We see ego, we see emotion, we see connection, betrayal, and even redemption. Everything it takes to build a brand in life. And when I mean in life, I mean in real life. The real stars aren't the loudest. They're the ones who learn to pivot and build. And that is the lesson for anyone watching today. And what is this lesson? Fame gives you traffic, but story gives you staying power. Thank you so much for staying with me this far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more personal branding and storytelling lessons. And as usual, I will see you in the next video. Stay visible, stay profitable.